Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mama Sandy. Right now I'm just gonna show you my orchids that is in full bloom. This is called a Phalaenopsis. So anyway, I just want to let you know that this orchids was actually the kind of orchids that I saved from the store, garden store, like about, I would say, a year and a half ago. I am so excited to show you this. This is in full bloom. It's an unscented orchid. So if you can see, I just plucked it out from the original place table that I had it from my old house. Aren't they pretty? It's kind of wild seeing this tangled, very long roots. So I have to clean the leaves because it's a little bit dusty. I didn't buy this orchids as a full price. I bought it for like maybe half off. And as you can see, it has like 4 blooms from before. And yeah, this normally goes for like almost $20, but I only got it like, I think I had it for 10 bucks. And I have another one that I'm gonna show you. Let me show you this real quick. This is pretty cool. Look at this. Look at this. I like the roots. They're kind of like healthy roots. Okay, hang on a second. I'll show you the other one. And this one is another orchids that I saved from, I believe it was either Home Depot or Walmart. About maybe, I would say last year. Sadly, this one has a sunburn. This is what happened when you put your plants, when you forget your plants to stay in a shady area. So this is like one of those sunburn, but it's okay. It's still good. So yeah, it has a really healthy leaves and needs to be cleaned also. And let me show you the roots. This is what the roots look like. This is what the container looked like. My goodness. Yep, I believe this is from Walmart. It has a date in it. It says September 13, 2021. It went on sale from $18.70 something cents to $9.39. So it's still on its original container with a really healthy root. So this is what happened when you are very cheap and you just wanted to keep some orchids. So I like this root. Look at this, so healthy. The root is so healthy, you guys. So let me show you the bloom again. Yeah, so this is what it's look like. It's pretty, isn't it? And the blooms are bigger and it's more compact compared to its original bloom. Look, it came from the same branch, you guys. So if you have an old bloom, try, if it's still staying green, do not cut it. Do not cut the brack. I think they call it brack. And I gotta show you one more orchids that I saved from the store a few months ago. Earlier today, I saved another orchids from impending waste, I guess. This is another Phalaenopsis orchids. Sorry. So this is what the bloom looked like. And what can you say about that? It's very pretty. I can't really describe it. Is it pink or is it lavender or is it fuchsia? Oh my lord, you are so pretty. My goodness. But yeah, it looked like it's damaged, but no big deal. It still have some unopened blooms, buds, and oh my gosh, this is the original container and it's a little bit on the shaky side. So this is the original container. And let me show you the price. Oh Jesus, this is embarrassing. So now it's $9.49. Sorry, I'm being dyslexic. And look how pretty that is. It looks healthy. It's a little dehydrated. Originally, Phalaenopsis orchids cost $18.98. Hopefully it will thrive like almost to the final days of its blooming days, I guess. This is what it's looked like in the original container. So I might need to remove that and put put it in a different pot with new orchid mix or media. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys like it. I hope I didn't bore you to death. Today's Monday and it's evening and I need to make dinner. Hopefully you guys have a great time. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, or whatever. Mahalo, aloha.